Hello, lovely people of the internet. No more bullshiting. Today's goals are to make some new levels and to edit those exact levels. And, in the end, to improve the user interface of those same levels. For some strange reason, this time, I wasn't going to choke myself to close white lightness. Instead, I was beating myself because I couldn't figure out how to change the freaking color of the enemy when accessing to the next scene. I didn't want to make new enemy prefab or something that will make my life even more complicated. So I spent a whole day figuring that out, though it only took a few lines of code. And yeah, those are that lines of code. And I learned about renderer. A renderer is all about rendering objects, projecting them in a virtual world so we can see them. And who would have thought that this little component could have that much higher impact on my game? Well, look at it. I even added a text component to every scene. So it can look like we are progressing. And we are, but this is just a prototype. I promise to God, myself, my soul, that I will finish this game. It will be aesthetically pleasing. But, for now, it only has 4 levels. The last one is supposed to be harder than the rest. And what I have noticed, it is sometimes tedious. Because sometimes random dot range is spawning few enemies in a row. And that's a problem. I think every new enemy should spawn in a different location every time. I will fix that soon, but for now, I just focused on the working user interface. And now, the user interface is smoothly working. I even managed to lock levels behind a code. So the player cannot access them right away from the start. They need to work for it. Straight added delete all button in the options menu. Which means all player preferences will destroy itself. And player preferences are all stores and accesses player preferences between game sessions. So his stores of data, player data. A player's progress. How much cash or items does he possess? Even when he leaves a game, those are player preferences. But when he presses that button, everything is gone so he can begin a fresh start. I'm kind of proud because even in my game, options have at least one purpose. Whichever is to destroy a player's investment of time and energy resources.